Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a road closure on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful if you notice construction, an accident, or any blockage that might affect other drivers in your area. By reporting it, you're helping fellow travelers avoid delays and plan better routes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will bring you to the main Google Maps interface where you can search locations, view routes, and access various mapping tools. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the specific road where the closure is happening. You can zoom in and pan around the map until you find the exact street or section you need to report. Now right-click directly on the road where you want to add the closure. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for interacting with that location. From this menu, look for and click on Report Data Problem. This feature is Google's way of allowing users to contribute corrections and updates to the map, ensuring the information stays accurate and current for everyone. After clicking Report Data Problem, a new panel or window will appear on your screen. Here you'll see various categories for the type of issue you want to report. Go ahead and click on Add or Fix a Road. This option is specifically designed for reporting issues related to roads, such as closures, blockages, or incorrect road information. Next, you'll need to select the exact road segment that's affected. Click on the road again to highlight and confirm the section you're reporting. This step ensures that your report is tied to the correct location so other users can see the closure in the right spot on the map. Once the road is selected, click on Closed or Blocked. This tells Google that the road is currently inaccessible or restricted in some way. It's an important distinction from other road issues as it directly impacts routing and navigation for drivers. Now you'll need to provide more context about the closure. Click on Reason and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options including construction, crash, weather, or event. Choose the one that best describes why the road is closed. This helps Google and other users understand the nature of the blockage and how long it might last. After selecting the reason, click on Direction. Here you'll choose whether the closure affects one-way or two-way traffic. This is crucial information because some closures only block one direction of travel, while others shut down the entire road. Make sure to select the option that accurately reflects the situation. Next, you'll need to input a start date and an end date for the closure. These fields help Google display the closure only during the relevant time period. If you're unsure of the exact end date, make your best estimate based on any available information such as construction signs or news reports. This timing information is valuable for users planning future trips. If you have any additional information that might be helpful, you can input a note in the provided field. This could include details like left lane only or detour available via Main Street. While this step is optional, it can provide extra context that makes your report even more useful to other drivers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Done. This will finalize your report and prepare it for submission. Take a moment to review what you've entered to make sure everything is accurate, as this information will be used to update the map for potentially thousands of users. Finally, click Submit to send your report to Google. After you submit, Google will review the information you've provided to verify its accuracy before updating the map. This review process helps maintain the quality and reliability of Google Maps data. And that's it. You've successfully reported a road closure on Google Maps, helping to keep navigation accurate and safe for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.